Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how I flat iron my hair, and as you can see I use the Mizani Thermosmooth line, and I also use their 25 Miracle Cream as a leave-in and also the heat protection, and it really provides me added strength for my hair. So I do use a Hot Tools blow dryer with the comb attachment. The comb attachment actually helps me get my hair really smooth. I also only place the blow dryer on medium heat, and so since the comb is there, it just kind of helps me rake through my curls. That's so I can get my hair smooth as possible. As you can see here, this is how smooth you would want your hair to be. And so this is the key to having the best flat iron or silk press. So my hair is fully blow dried here, and I'm going through with cool air to make sure that my roots are completely dry. And so this is essential with people who have very thick hair, or your hair just has a hard time drying. You want to make sure that your roots are completely dry before you go in with the flat iron. Starting flat ironing from the very back is the easiest. The flat iron I'm using is a Babyliss titanium flat iron, and I put it on 400 heat. And so I prefer just to use my fingers to go piece by piece to make sure that I'm picking out pieces that are small enough. You don't want to get too big, because of course you only want to do one pass with the flat iron.
Told you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that way. Tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my. All bad all day, but the night I get that good till we act right. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on a right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go on. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead. We could go all night.
I've been calm, cool, collected, but you pushing on my nerves. And I'm knowing your intention, I'm under pressure. Okay, I'm admitting that a couple things I said got acidic in the tone and the presence, I get careless. Long as you know I come with imperfections. When you look at me, you see the soul through my flesh. You something special. Know you looking bomb, the way you dress it, gone flex it, hold it still and let my mind digest. You got the leverage, you got the upper handle on the situation. You worthy of a million more of the storms that we weathered. We fight retreating this, but you trying to kill the cycle. When nobody's stressing that body like me, I know the way you like it. I treat you like a queen, run the castle, you a treasure. Feel like you setting fire to my desire for the pleasure. You a gem, got me blem, let's make amends. Know you can, I'm out here
trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we can share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go on. We could go all night. We could go all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Told you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side.
So I am very pleased with the final results. Again, thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I thank the new subscribers that I recently gained. It wasn't that many, but I am so excited that people are tuning in. See you next Thursday. Bye-bye.
Emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby,